Hi, I'm Amber from WTI, and if you want to be the envy of all your neighbors at grilling parties, you're going to want these tongs. These tongs from U-Taste are amazing. I actually had my mother over recently, and she commented that these were the best tongs she's ever seen and used. When it comes to tongs, you wouldn't think that's something you need to really worry about quality, but having good quality tongs makes so much of a difference. Because of the silicone grips on the top, it makes it really easy to grip your pastas, your steak, whatever you need to flip. It makes it really easy to grab and get right in there, and they're not going to melt off on you. So if you're using this on high heat, they're going to be okay until 600 degrees Fahrenheit. So your non-stick pans are going to love you. When it comes to these, you don't have to worry about scraping your pan with the metal because you have the silicone tip that is BPA free that is going to protect your pans. These are made out of 18/8 stainless steel, and that is really important because it actually can hold a lot of weight. So when it comes to flipping stuff, you don't have to worry about this metal going to bend on you. It's very sturdy and it's going to be able to pick up anything you need to pick up. And this is really great for salads and pastas, just tossing everything all together. And of course, it's really easy to store these by just pulling the handle, pull it closed. It's nice and locked and you're able to put it in your drawer, ready for use, ready for your next grilling session. So when I first moved, I didn't have a single set of tongs. And I got these and I'm so happy with them. I don't know how I ever lived without tongs now. So these tongs are spectacular. And that is my point of view.